Second striper boil here, coming to wash. Run up on about 50 to 75 of them. Just pop in the water.
More like 100, man.
Yeah, that's a good size. You want
bigger?
You want to measure that beast or what?
Nah, dude.
No.
He's about a pound. Nah.
Hold on. We got Dom with the first fish.
Yeah.
It's only 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Fish on. Yeah. There he is. Just a little guy. Saw a striper boil, so he came over here to try to chase him. And look what we found. There it is. Yeah! Do you want? Shit.
Look at that big old biggin. It's just a monster, isn't it?
Attaboy.
Take that shit to the tournament.